Hey there, aspiring detectives and curious minds. Ever wondered how to take your spy game to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of unbelievable spy equipment hacks that you absolutely must try. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, these tips from right here in Fort Worth are sure to add a little extra intrigue to your adventures. First things first, let's get a quick rundown of the essential tools in your spy arsenal. We're talking hidden cameras. Think everyday objects with secret lenses, perfect for discreet observation. Then there are audio recorders, now so tiny and powerful, ready to capture conversations without anyone suspecting a thing. And of course, GPS trackers, your go-to for keeping tabs on anything from valuables to, well, you know. Now, before we unleash our inner secret agents, a quick but crucial reminder: safety and ethics are paramount. Always know the local laws regarding surveillance to ensure you're on the right side of things. Okay, with that important note out of the way, let's get hacking. Hidden cameras, it's all about being sneaky and getting the perfect shot. Here's a simple hack. Think about placement. Instead of obvious spots, try integrating a camera into something decorative, like a vase. It blends right in. And for those high-tech moments, many hidden cameras have Wi-Fi. Connect it to your home network, and bam, remote access on your phone. It's like having your own surveillance center right in your pocket. Setting it up? Easy peasy. Choose a Wi-Fi camera, download the app, connect to your Wi-Fi, and tweak the settings. Done. Oh, and shaky footage is a dead giveaway. Use mini tripods or adhesive mounts to keep things steady and your videos crystal clear. Next up, audio recorders. Time to get clever with sound. Disguising your recorder is key. Imagine placing one inside a book or even a bundle of tissues. Totally inconspicuous, right? And for saving battery and storage, look for recorders with voice activation. They only record when they hear sound. Pro tip, make sure it's configured correctly in the settings. Speaking of quality, the environment matters. Try to minimize background noise for the clearest audio possible. Find that quiet corner when you can. Now let's talk GPS trackers. These aren't just for vehicles anymore. Attach one to your child's backpack or your pet's collar for some serious peace of mind. Real-time monitoring via mobile apps is a game changer. Get instant alerts if the tracker leaves a set area. You can even set up virtual boundaries, geofencing, and get notified when they're crossed. And for hiding them, get creative. Under a car seat, inside a backpack, even within a toy, just make sure the signal isn't blocked. Ready to level up your spy skills? Let's dive into some advanced tips. Combining tools can give you the full picture. Imagine a hidden camera capturing visuals while an audio recorder grabs the sounds. Powerful stuff, and don't let a dead battery ruin your mission. Invest in portable power banks for extended use. Set low battery alerts on your devices. And if available, use energy-saving modes. Finally, for truly discreet operations, always opt for equipment with silent operation modes. The less noise, the better. Let's face it, tech can be tricky. So what about troubleshooting? Image distortion? Check your connections and settings. Connectivity problems? Reboot your device and router. That often does the trick. And running out of storage? Regularly check those levels. Consider higher capacity micro SD cards or even cloud storage. Feeling crafty? Let's talk DIY spy equipment. You can turn a basic webcam or even your old smartphone into a hidden camera. Get creative with disguises. An empty can, a potted plant. The possibilities are fun. Everyday items can also be repurposed. An old remote control? Perfect for hiding a small camera. And for simple audio recording, that voice memo app on your phone works wonders. An old digital recorder hidden in a bag can also do the trick. Just remember battery and storage. Last but not least, let's talk about keeping your gear safe and your data secure. When not in use, store your equipment in a sturdy case. And if you're dealing with sensitive info, always password protect your devices. Discretion is key in this business. So there you have it. Unbelievable hacks to supercharge your spy equipment adventures. Remember to have fun, be creative, and always prioritize safety and ethical considerations. Now get out there and put these hacks to the test. Your spy adventure awaits right here in Fort Worth and beyond.